All right, John, how you doing?
Let's go again, Joel. Yep.
Bricks in a wall, alternate method.
Yeah, there is another way of determining the number of bricks you need for a wall. If you realise that a horizontal row of bricks is known as a course.
Okay, so a bricklayer comes along, 1 brick, 2 bricks, 3 bricks. This one row of bricks that he lays,
That's right.
that's called
a course.
That's called a course. Okay. Yep.
And then down the height of the wall, of course, you'll have a number of horizontal rows.
All right, my bricklayer's going to start from the bottom. He's going to work up.
Okay.
Yep.
So there'll be
1 brick, another
number
brick,
of
another brick.
courses
There'll be a
above
half there, but there'll be another half over there.
That's
to
right.
Match. Okay, I get it. So now we've got 2 courses.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay.
So the alternate method would involve, first of all, working out how many bricks in each course.
Yep.
And that will involve, of course, the length of the wall being divided by the length of 1 brick.
Yep.
Then, to get the number of courses, we'll be dividing the height of the wall by the height of each brick. Once we know the number of courses and the number of bricks in each course, it's a simple multiplication to give us the number of bricks in the total wall.
All right, so if we're going to figure out bricks in a course, that's going to be equal to...
That'll be the length of the wall divided by the length of 1 brick.
Okay, so the length of the wall over the length of a brick.
And remember, boys, this will be the effective length, including mortar for each brick.
Okay, so the length of the wall is easy, that's 10 metres.
Now that will be divided by the effective length of each brick, which was 240 mil.
240 millimetres, which is
0.240
metres. Okay, so that's in metres, so that's got to be in metres, otherwise
right.
it's just not going to work.
Yep.
All right, I'll grab my calculator. All right, so the calculator says 41.67 bricks.
Yep.
You want to stay with that?
No, I think we can round that to the nearest whole number. We'll round up to 42. Because remember, boys, Ricky works in estimates, not in exact figures.
Okay, so 42 bricks for one course,
1 course.
on that wall.
Now let's work out the number of courses in 1 wall.
The number of courses is going to be equal to...
That will be the height of the wall divided by the height of 1 brick. So that's going to be 2.5 metres.
Divided by the height of a brick.
Yep.
Now that's going to be equal to 2.5.
2.5. And what was the height of the brick again?
The effective height.
86 mil, which is 0.086 metres.
Alright, so I'll reach for my calculator again.
I think in this instance we'll round down to 29.
29. Okay, so that's 29 rows. So there's 42 bricks in 1 course, and all up there's going to be 29 rows.
Courses or
Oh,
rows.
29. Should use the right bricky terms. 29 courses. So what's our final step?
Okay, we now have the number of rows or courses, and we now have the number of bricks in each course. So now it's just a simple multiplication of the number of bricks per course multiplied by the number of courses.
So 42 bricks in 1 course. There's 29 courses altogether. We type that into our calculator, and we should get
42 times 9, which gives us 1218.
1218. Now, we've done that question before.
We have done the question before, and we came up with, what was it, 1,250.
1,250. So one estimate gave us 1,218. One estimate gave us 1,250. What's the right answer?
Well, I think what a brickie would do, and now, of course, the reasons for the difference would be in terms of rounding and mortar width and so on. I think what a brickie would do is choose the larger of the 2 estimates so that he doesn't run short of bricks.
You don't want to get stuck on the job with a few short bricks. Okay.
That's right.
All right, so remember, this is bricklayer maths here. So if you've got to round things down, if you've got to round things, round up, because you don't want to be short at the end. All right, that's bricks in a wall. That's an alternate method of figuring it out.